Have you ever wondered what the future of digital marketing looks like? Well, let's take a moment to dive into this fascinating world. The realm of digital marketing has been undergoing a radical transformation over the last few decades. From the early days of simple email marketing and SEO, we've seen a shift towards more tech-driven strategies. It's not just about pushing messages out there anymore, it's about creating an immersive, interactive experience for the consumer. You see, in today's hyper-connected world, the consumer is king. Brands are no longer the sole storytellers. Instead, they're engaging in a two-way conversation with their audience. This radical shift has been driven by advancements in technology, and one of the most significant game changers has been artificial intelligence, known to many as AI. AI in digital marketing, you might ask? Yes, indeed. And it's not as futuristic as it sounds. AI is already being used in various ways in the digital marketing sphere, from chatbots providing round-the-clock customer service to algorithms predicting consumer behavior and personalizing content. The beauty of AI is its ability to process vast amounts of data quickly and accurately, providing insights that would take a human marketer weeks, if not months, to uncover. This, in turn, allows for more targeted marketing strategies, improved customer engagement, and ultimately, a better return on investment. But here's the exciting part. We're just scratching the surface of what AI can do in digital marketing. The potential is enormous. Imagine a world where AI can predict your customers' needs before they even know them, creating a truly personalized and seamless customer journey. That's the future we're heading towards. And it's not just a pipe dream. Companies are already harnessing the power of AI to revolutionize their digital marketing strategies. In this rapidly evolving digital landscape, one company that is harnessing the power of AI is OnPassive. Before we get started, please subscribe, and comment below. Thanks. So, what is OnPassive and how is it changing the game in digital marketing? OnPassive is an innovative company that's transforming the digital marketing landscape. Its vision is to equip businesses with cutting-edge AI technology to enhance their online presence and marketing strategies. OnPassive's AI technology is designed to automate, streamline, and optimize digital marketing tasks, from content creation to customer interaction, data analysis to decision-making. But here's the thing that sets OnPassive apart from other digital marketing companies: its commitment to continuous innovation. While others may be content to ride the wave of current technology, OnPassive is always looking ahead, constantly refining its AI technology to stay ahead of the curve. OnPassive is not just another digital marketing company, it's a trailblazer, a game changer, a visionary in the field. With its unique AI technology, OnPassive is reshaping the way businesses market themselves online. OnPassive's AI technology is not just another tool, it's a revolution in the world of digital marketing. Now let's delve deeper and see OnPassive's AI technology in action. Imagine a mid-sized online clothing retailer named Fashion Forward. They were facing a few challenges. The first was understanding their customers' behavior. With an extensive product range and a diverse customer base, it was becoming increasingly difficult to predict what their customers wanted. Consequently, they were struggling with product recommendations, leading to missed sales opportunities. Another challenge was managing their extensive digital marketing channels. They had to juggle email marketing, social media, SEO, and more. This was not only time-consuming, but it was also becoming increasingly difficult to keep track of the performance of each channel. Enter OnPassive. OnPassive's AI technology offered solutions to both of these challenges. For the first issue, OnPassive introduced an AI-driven customer behavior analysis tool. This tool analyzed each customer's browsing and purchasing history and used machine learning algorithms to predict future behavior. This allowed Fashion Forward to provide personalized product recommendations to each customer. For the second issue, OnPassive introduced an AI-driven digital marketing management tool. This tool allowed Fashion Forward to manage all their digital marketing channels from one place. It also provided real-time performance tracking for each channel, allowing Fashion Forward to quickly identify and resolve any issues. Now let's talk about the results. After implementing OnPassive's AI technology, Fashion Forward saw a significant improvement in their sales. Their personalized product recommendations resulted in a 25% increase in sales. Their email marketing click-through rate increased by 15%, and their social media engagement rate increased by 20%. But the benefits didn't stop there. OnPassive's AI technology also saved Fashion Forward a significant amount of time. By managing all their digital marketing channels from one place, they were able to focus more on their core business activities. Additionally, the real-time performance tracking allowed them to quickly identify and resolve issues, reducing the time spent on troubleshooting. And the best part? All of this was achieved with minimal human intervention. OnPassive's AI technology automated the entire process, from customer behavior analysis to digital marketing management. So what does this case study tell us? It shows us that OnPassive's AI technology can help businesses overcome their digital marketing challenges. It can provide personalized customer experiences, streamline digital marketing management, and ultimately improve sales. And it does all of this while saving businesses time and resources. As you can see, OnPassive's AI technology is not just about automation. It's about enhancing and personalizing the digital marketing experience. What makes OnPassive's AI technology stand out in the crowded digital marketing space? We're glad you asked. OnPassive's AI technology is a revolutionary tool designed to redefine the landscape of digital marketing. Its standout features and benefits are numerous, but let's distill them down to the most impactful ones. First off, OnPassive's AI technology is intelligent and adaptive. It uses sophisticated machine learning algorithms that can understand, learn, predict, and improve upon strategies. This means it can adapt to changes in the market and consumer behavior, making it a reliable and proactive partner in your marketing efforts. Secondly, OnPassive's AI offers precision targeting. It can analyze huge volumes of data to identify patterns and trends that humans can't easily spot. This allows it to target the right audience at the right time with the right message, delivering a level of personalization that is unparalleled in the industry. Another key feature is automation. OnPassive's AI can automate a wide range of tasks, from content creation and distribution to customer service and data analysis. This saves a huge amount of time and allows businesses to focus on what they do best. OnPassive's AI technology also promotes proactive customer engagement. It can predict customer behavior and preferences, allowing businesses to engage with their audience in a more personalized and timely manner. It can make recommendations, answer queries, and even initiate conversations, fostering a more engaging and rewarding customer experience. Finally, the potential impact of OnPassive's AI on digital marketing is profound. It's not just about making tasks easier or more efficient. It's about transforming the way businesses connect and interact with their customers. It's about creating a more engaging, personalized, and meaningful customer experience. So, to sum it all up, OnPassive's AI technology is a game changer, offering unprecedented opportunities for businesses to reach their audience in a more personalized and effective way. It's not just the future of digital marketing, it's the present, actively shaping the industry as we know it. OnPassive's AI technology is a game changer, offering unprecedented opportunities for businesses to reach their audience in a more personalized and effective way. The question now is, what impact will OnPassive's AI technology have on the future of digital marketing? In an era of constant technological evolution, OnPassive's AI technology is poised to revolutionize the digital marketing landscape. Its influence will be seen in every corner of the marketing world, from how businesses market their products to how customers interact with those products, and even the way we understand customer behavior. Consider, for instance, the way businesses market their products. With OnPassive's AI, we're looking at a future where marketing strategies are not just about human creativity, they're about intelligent algorithms that can analyze and understand customer behavior in ways we've never seen before. These algorithms can predict trends, identify opportunities, and craft personalized marketing strategies that target the right customers at the right time. It's a level of precision and efficiency that traditional marketing methods can't match. But it's not just businesses who stand to benefit. Customers, too, will find their experiences transformed by OnPassive's AI. Imagine a world where your online shopping experience is so personalized, it feels like the store was built just for you. That's the power of AI. It can analyze your shopping habits, your likes and dislikes, and create a tailored experience that not only meets your needs, but anticipates them. And let's not forget the overall digital marketing landscape. With the introduction of AI, we're moving away from a one-size-fits-all approach to marketing. Instead, we're entering an era of hyper-personalization where every customer interaction is unique and meaningful. This shift will not only improve customer satisfaction, but also boost business performance and profitability. So when we talk about the impact of OnPassive's AI on digital marketing, we're talking about a game changer. We're talking about a technology that has the potential to redefine the industry as we know it. And this is just the beginning. As AI technology continues to evolve and improve, its influence on digital marketing will only grow. We're standing on the brink of a new era in digital marketing, an era defined and driven by AI. As we move forward, the possibilities are limitless. OnPassive's AI technology is not just shaping the future of digital marketing, it's creating it. For information on how you can join OnPassive for free, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a great day.